chapter 1, 7. Sayyid Burhanuddin Tirmizi is related to have said that one night the door of the mausoleum of Baha'u'llah opened of itself, and that a great glory shone forth from it, which gradually filled his house, so that no shadow fell from anything. The glory then gradually filled the city in like manner, spreading thence over the whole face of nature. On beholding this prodigy, the Sayyids swooned away. This vision is a sure indication that the whole human race will one day own themselves, the disciples of the descendants of the great saint. Not necessarily, but you could say that it represents a glory that transcends this life, that remains after death, in the legacy, memory, and energy.